In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to download Jumia app from Google Play Store. So if you're using an Android device, this is exactly for you, because you'll be able to download Jumia app from Google Play Store. All you just have to do is just open your Google Play Store app, and it's going to show just like this. And if you are using an iPhone as well, just go to your Apple App Store and you're gonna see the home page just like this. Then at the top search right here where you see search app, then you're gonna put in Jumia right there. So Jumia, you can see it already suggests the Jumia for me, and you can see Jumia Pay, but we're not doing Jumia Pay right now. So we just want to download the Jumia app. So once you input the Jumia, then click on search, then it's gonna show the Jumia app for you. As you can see right here, I have the Jumia online shopping. You can see open on that one, and I also have Jumia online shopping and see update. This tells us that I already installed the app on my phone, and that is why it's showing open here, because this one is a sponsored, and you can see sponsored at the top, and you can see it contain ads. And if you check on the second one, that means it's the same app, but then this is original app right here, and probably the app is outdated, so I have to update it so that it can bring on more latest features, as you can see right here. So if you don't have the app on your phone before, all you're gonna see on the uninstall page here is to install instead of uninstall. Just click on install. So I'm gonna update this app right now. So you're gonna see it's going to be showing open instead of on update right here. So you're gonna see let's wait for that to load. So it's still verifying, so I'm gonna wait. You can see verified by Play Protect. So once you install the app successful, the next thing you're gonna see is open. So from there you'll be able to open your Jumia app and start creating your account. So in the next video, I'm gonna be walking you through how to create Jumia account.